Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Uda Spray. Today we are going to be doing some lash clusters. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and maybe save the video if you want to learn yourself. Okay.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it.
So the lashes I have are the duo lashes. I have some wee wee link lashes, and then these bottoms and spikes that I got from Amazon. All this glue is here because I do use. Where is that? Here we go. The OG hair glue, okay? Because we need these lashes to stay, okay? I was using the Bond and Seal, which they usually last for about 3 days, but I want them to last longer because I'm tired of, doing my lashes every 4 days. Shit, I want to do like a fill or some shit, damn. But anyways, I'm lazy. I don't know. I be lazy sometimes, so sometimes I don't want to be doing nothing. I don't want to look good sometimes, which is bad. But hey. Okay, that's life. So I got these eye patches here because I have some bags that I noticed today when I was recording for recording my TikTok videos. Yeah, and this mm that's what we're not gonna do. I got my camera over here, y'all. My phone over here because I'm recording a TikTok too. I told y'all I'm gonna be multitasking. So when you see a YouTube video, you're gonna see a TikTok video. When you see a TikTok video, you're gonna see a YouTube video about it. Okay. Well, not everyone, of course, not every TikTok video, but you know what I mean. If you see a YouTube video, you're gonna see a TikTok video about it. So that's why I said, let me know what y'all want to do so I can expand my TikTok and expand my YouTube. I'm still gonna do, what I want to do. Of course, this is my channel. Yeah, it's my channel, so I'm still gonna do what I want to do. But I love a good suggestion. Okay, I love a good recommendation. I love a good try this. You know, I'll try food. I do food reviews. Like, what y'all want? What y'all want? What y'all want? Let me know. Is I take my hair glue and I just put a drop or two on this side. Probably, here, just focus on this. I put a drop or two on the tray because don't put too much, just a drop or two because it'll dry up quick while you're doing your lashes. But just a little dot, y'all see the one that's lighter than everything else, yeah. So, put my hair glue on there. And yes, y'all will see me. I probably won't be editing out me doing my TikTok. Hello? My camera dying? Oh, hell no. Anyways, I won't be editing out me doing my TikTok too on some clips because I'm trying to multitask. And I'm learning. Shit. Okay, y'all, let me plug my camera up. So glad I can record while it charges. Like, that's probably the best thing ever. Please focus. I see my video on the quality. It's not looking like my videos before. And it's kind of irritating me. It look kind of like, it don't look vintage, just looks like old. And that was irritating me so bad when I was watching my video, y'all. So I be watching my videos. I don't watch the full thing, but I watch like through it, like look, you know what I mean. Anyways, but yeah. Okay, let's start these lashes. Y'all probably like, bitch, y'all, I can talk forever. Y'all probably know that. See that by now. If you watch one video, you can see I just like to talk. I just be yapping sometimes. I'm a yapper.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I'm a yap. Bitch, stop on me. I'm a yap. I cannot find my damn tweezers. Oh, here they go. I put them somewhere so I can get them and I couldn't get them. Okay, so we're gonna start with the spikes, y'all. So let's start with the spikes. 18. Oh wait, this one got 19, 17, and 15. So we're gonna do 19, 17, and 15. Okay. Yeah, see, I need to get up close and personal, maybe. Is that better? Okay. So y'all can see me put on this first spike. So don't put it on your damn lash line. I didn't mean to cuss, y'all. I'm working on it. Don't put it on your lash line. Put it on like right directly above your lash line. You know what I'm saying? Like above it. Some people lift their lashes with tape and stuff, but I don't have to do that. That's as simple as that. I don't have to do that, but just put it right above your lash line, not on your lash line. If you put it on your lash line and then it's the glue's just not gonna dry, basically. You know how I say don't get your lashes? Like if you get let me back up. If you get individual lashes, they say don't get your lashes wet within the first 24 hours. I feel like that's the same thing with clusters because bitch, the glue needs to dry all the way. Yeah, we put a little fan on to be cute. We done. That shit will not be dry all the way through. Anyways, this is the next one. I'm gonna put this is the 17, y'all. Again, right above the lash line. Boom. And then I'll just speed through the rest for y'all. Oh my god. Oh yeah, let that glue dry for a little bit before you just stack it on your eye. My bad, y'all. Don't be like me. I don't be doing the right thing sometimes. So before you put that lash directly on your eye, make sure you like fan it a little bit to get the glue a little tacky. You see, I got 2 spikes on there for so far. Let me show TikTok. Hold on. But yeah, make sure the glue gets a little tacky before you do put it on your lash, or it's just gonna fall off like mine just did. Y'all can see. Exhibit A. That shit will not take 1 minute. I promise you. I gotta make sure my shit is good, and I gotta make sure I like it. Okay, this is all the spikes, y'all. These are all these spikes. Let me fix this one. This one looks like you want to hang off or some shit. Okay, these are the spikes. Okay. Alright. Now we're gonna get to the lashes. Okay, I'm gonna use the Uduo. Uduo, start with 16. 18 be a bit much for me now, so I'm gonna try 16 and see what that be about. What should I do? I'm gonna do 118 on the end. How about that? Because I usually do 2 18s. So I'm gonna do 118 on the end, and then 16, 16, no, 16, 14, 14, 12, 10, 10. Yeah. I'm gonna put the lash map on the thing, and I'll put it in the description too. Yeah, I want that. Let's see what we can do here. Ooh. Okay, same thing with this. Place this actually right above the spike line. You know where the spike's at? Right above the spike left. Not too much so it don't show the spike, but you know what I mean. Yeah, I hope y'all know what I mean. Can y'all see? I feel like I'm covering it up. Anyways, that's the 18 on. Okay, let's do the 16 now. This is 16 from the Uduo pack. Can y'all see? Let's keep on going. I don't think I'm gonna double these because they're already thick, y'all. This is 200 200 density. What's it called? Lashes. So they're pretty thick on their own, like with 1 layer already. So I'm gonna get this other pack, and I'm gonna put. Hold on, I didn't even show TikTok nothing. Okay, now put this right in the corner right here. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. Those aren't bad. Did I say I was doing bottoms? I'm kind of just fucking with this. Chelsea? I'm fucking with this. Okay, let me do the other eye. Let me do the other eye, and yeah, that's the video. So y'all, I went back and added 3 more 10s on the inner corner right here, so that is more full. But yeah, I think I'm good with this set here, and I think I'm just going to put some fillers in right here. So I'll put a 15 cluster right here to fill that gap in, and then probably a 16 just to fill that gap. This 16 right here to fill this in. I'm gonna put it right above that lash. You don't want to stack the webs directly on top of each other. That's why I say put everything right above the last. Put everything right above the last one. So you're not too stacked up and it's not too clumpy and stuff. You know? But yeah. So that's that one. And see how that got a little fuller. And then I'm gonna put a 14 where that other gap is right there. If y'all remember to fill in the gaps, please. So you get that full look on your lashes. But if you like the regular natural lash look with one layer, no extras, that's cool too. Because you can just go with that first look with less dramatic lashes. So, because the map works for everyone if you want that. This is just a cat eye map with the cat eye map that I used. So, it's a cat eye map if you do want that look. But yeah, that's the first lash. So I'm just going to dry these. But yeah, that's the lash. Now let's do the other side. I think I'm going to do bottoms. I want to see how long they stay on with hair glue. Because I never did the bottoms with hair glue. I just did it with the regular lash glue. So let's see how long they do stay on with the hair glue. Be right back. Y'all, I took so long and did some extra and the camera done cut off. But it's okay. It still saved my stuff. But these are the lashes. I am going to do some bottoms actually. But the lashes I use, again, what is your duo lashes, they will all be in my storefront, my Amazon link. So that's in my bio, in my beacons link, which will be linked down below as well. In there you will see all my socials and just everything that I got going on, period. Everything that I got going on, period. Like, what the fuck type of sentence is that? Anyways, to see everything that I have going on, and also just look at the things that I offer. I do offer some services if you are in Jax, Florida. I do wig installs, I do ponytails, quick weaves, reinstalls, braid downs if you don't feel like braiding your hair or you don't know how to. I do that. I'm in Jax, Florida. Click the link in the bio to know more, okay? Follow me on Instagram. All right. I'm just throwing that stuff in there. I'm not done with the video. It's going to be a couple more minutes because I'm going to do my bottoms. So I'm going to show y'all how to do my bottoms real quick. Just going to do one eye and then speed through the other one. And yeah, that'll be the end of the video. But just remind y'all, like, comment, and motherfucking subscribe. Okay, now let's get to these bottom lashes. All right, so the bottom lashes that I'm using are, where are they? Oh, it's the same kit. It's this kit here. They have the spikes, but I'm going to use these extension bottoms here. They're more thicker than the custard bottoms. Yeah, that's my little bedtime thing. Anyways, it's currently 11:30. I'm supposed to go to bed at 12. I've been telling myself I do not be going to bed. Anyways, so with the bottoms, let me zoom in for y'all so y'all can see, like, my bottoms, they're there, but they're barely there. So what you want to do is you want to take the bottom lash. Oh shit, hold on, y'all gotta pick it up. Hey, make it jump, pick it up.
Pick it up, pick it up, make it jump, pick it up.
Okay, here you go. The lash. Dip it in the what's it called? Hair glue. Here it is here. Put it off a little bit. It's your mirror. You're gonna sit that directly on your bottom lash. On the very last one. You can put as many as you want. I like mine to be full. So this is gonna take a minute. That's why I said I'm gonna speed through. It's not gonna take a minute. It's probably take like 5 minutes for me to put these little ass lashes on. But make sure you I just put it on top of my natural lash. I sit it right there. But you're not dipping the whole lash in glue, so it's not gonna mess up your actual natural lash. You're putting it still right on this end, right below your waterline, so it's not poking you, and also it's not falling off. All right, so let me do that. here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it was a good tutorial, for real. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post. Bye. Have a great one.
So high, you give me so high, you give me so high.